So, should gyms reopen? You don't need a gym to get in the best shape of your life. Hi, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new and yet to subscribe, be sure to do that, and welcome to my channel. I post a lot of fitness and nutrition advice, as well as the occasional vlog on the Mighty Miracleman. Check out the story of my accident, and you'll learn why I'm called to that. That's kind of an opinion-based question, but we'll go into what some of the experts say. If you're going back to the gym, you'll want to make sure everything's clean. So wipe down equipment, maybe before and after. That'd be a good idea. And make sure to wash your hands for either 20 seconds with soap and water or an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Get rid of those icky germs. And if you're feeling sick, please, for the love of God, stay home. Don't get other people sick. What does the World Health Organization say? A quote from the ASEA article here. The WHO explains that the coronavirus can spread from person to person through small droplets from the nose or mouth. These respiratory droplets are released when a person with the virus breathes out or coughs. If someone inhales the droplets directly, obviously they can contract the virus, but even if it gets on their hands or in their eyes, they can become infected. The CDC adds that a person is most infectious when the symptoms are most present, but they're still infectious even if they're not present. So be careful. The consensus seems to be that it is okay as long as certain health and public safety requirements are met. But why not work out from home? You can still get an awesome workout in with plyometrics and calisthenics or exercise equipment from Amazon. Ask me how, just comment below. So if you enjoyed that, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to stay updated on me, as well as get a whole bunch of fitness and nutrition advice, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I put a link to some videos I think you might be interested in the next little bit. So check those out.